Oppo has launched its new affordable 5G phone under a 6 lineup in China called Oppo A6v. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo A6v features a tall 6.75-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1125 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 16GB by using internal storage, and it has 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is expandable up to 2TB via microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Oppo A6v sports a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel monochrome sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 5-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6,500 mAh battery with 45-watt SuperVOOC fast charging support. And on the software front, the handset runs on Android 15 out of the box, with ColorOS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166.61 by 78.51 by 8.61 millimeters, and it weighs around 212 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo A6v 5G has been priced in China at 1,199 Chinese yuan, and it is now available for purchase in the country in glacier blue, titanium purple, and wilderness green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo A6v 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.